So here's how you can use the Freeform app on the iPad for drawing. Let's get started. Let me explain how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, obviously the Freeform is like the official Apple app. It's pre-installed on the iPad, but it's not necessarily designed for drawing. You can most definitely do it. Like when you get inside your existing board or you start a new one, you have the buttons, the controllers in the middle of the screen at the top. So you can tap on it like this pencil markup tool, whatever that is, and you can just start drawing, right? So this opens up the regular tools for drawing, the markup tools, which you have like the various different pens, thickness, opacity, and colors to customize. And you can just start drawing whatever, here on the screen. You can just have these different stuff added, right? And you can then uncheck the markup tool, and then this behaves like a separate object which you can move around, which you can rotate, which you can resize. It behaves basically like an image, right? So I'm not saying that this app is bad for drawing, but it's not designed with that purpose. Like there are apps which are like Notability or Good Notes, which are specifically designed for handwritten notes and drawing and that kind of stuff, but it would work in here as well. So that's kind of how you can use it. Obviously the power of the app is all of the other elements and the infinite canvas, where you can, like, not really infinite, but yeah, you can zoom in and out and add stuff here and there. So yeah, that's the real power of the Freeform app. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it, if you have ever like used the app before. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos as well.